STEM a Chip presents Press and Play, Control the LED. In this video, we'll show you how to control an LED with a push button using an Arduino Uno. A push button is a simple switch that completes or breaks an electrical circuit when pressed, allowing current to flow only while it is held down. This beginner-friendly project introduces basic electronics through a simple circuit setup and step-by-step Arduino coding, requiring no prior experience. Let's get started and bring your Arduino project to life. Before we start building, let's quickly go over the components you'll need for this project. An Arduino Uno, a USB cable, a breadboard, an LED, color of your choice, a 220 ohm resistor, 2 push buttons, jumper wires. Let's start by placing the breadboard on your workspace. Now, pick up an LED, any color you like, and carefully place it on the breadboard. An LED has 2 legs. The short leg is the cathode, negative, and the long leg is the anode, positive. Next, insert a 220 ohm resistor into the breadboard. Plug one leg into the same column as the long leg of the LED and the other leg into a different column. Make sure it's not connected to the short leg. Take a jumper wire and connect the short leg of the LED, the negative side, to the ground rail on the breadboard. Now, place the Arduino next to your breadboard so all your connections are within reach. Use a jumper wire to connect the breadboard's ground rail to one of the Arduino's GND pins. Take another jumper wire to connect the resistor's free leg to pin 5 on the Arduino. This lets the Arduino control the LED. Next, place push button A with the red cap onto the breadboard, making sure it sits across the middle groove. Repeat the same for push button B with the yellow cap, each in their own row. Use short jumper wires to connect one leg of each button, A and B, to the ground rail on the breadboard. Connect the other leg of push button B, yellow, to pin 8 on the Arduino, and the other leg of push button A, red, to pin 9 using jumper wires. Now, the Arduino can read each button separately. Once these wires are connected, you're ready to control your LED. Plug in your USB cable to power your Arduino, and you're ready to start programming. Let's bring our project to life with some code. Firstly, open up the Arduino IDE on your computer. Then, go to Tools, Board. Under Arduino AVR boards, select Arduino Uno. Next, go to Tools, Port, and choose COM3 or another available port if COM3 doesn't connect. Once you've made these selections, you'll see the board and port details appear at the top of the Arduino IDE window. Now, type in this code to control your LED. Our LED is connected to pin number 5 on the Arduino. We also have 2 push buttons, a red one on pin 9 and a yellow one on pin 8. In the code's setup section, we tell Arduino that the LED is an output, which means we can turn it on or off. For the buttons, we use input pull-up mode. This lets us easily detect when a button is pressed. In the main loop, Arduino checks the buttons over and over every 50 milliseconds. Once your code is ready, save it with Ctrl+S. Click the Verify button to compile your code and check for any errors. If the code compiles successfully without errors, you're good to go. If everything looks good, click Upload to send your instructions straight to the Arduino and get it running. Now, let's see it in action. When you press the red button, the LED switches on instantly. When you press the yellow button, the LED turns off. Working like simple switches, the 2 push buttons let you control the LED on and off, giving you real hands-on experience with digital input and output using Arduino. If you enjoyed this project, hit like and subscribe to STEM a Chip for more beginner-friendly Arduino tutorials. Got questions or project ideas? Share them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you, and we might even feature them next time. Thanks for watching, and remember, with STEM a Chip, learning electronics is about turning ideas into action and controlling your blink with creativity.